go down. So you have to work on the plan. If you don't know how to do it, then it's not possible. So first of all, you have to know how to earn income. What is the plan, basic plan in our company? So you have to know this. Lots of incomes are available here, but if you want income in your future, so if you don't there is a code in I put it into your diary. This code is also another code. This also kept me motivating. If you just help enough, sorry, if you chase money, money will run faster. But if you chase your purpose, money will chase you. So if you just want to keep the shadow, you don't catch the shadow. Similarly, when we just going through the life, we just go into the job. So people are just rat race doing the job, and they are just kept continuously going. So when we find in this industry, we also learn this how to earn income in our school. They don't teach us how to earn income. They always teaches us that teacher also teaches us each and every day that how would you earn lots of marks, but they don't even teaches us that how to earn income, how many incomes you earn. So ultimately, overall, we study not only because of great mark sheet, great degree, but also for money. So if there is a excellent industry, so you can earn lots of incomes. Second is time freedom. If you're doing direct selling business, time freedom is another factor that I had in my life. So right now I have around 3-4 thousand plus peoples working behind me. So I have a 24 hours each and every day, 1414 minutes each and every day, 86,400 seconds each and every day. But I don't have I don't you also don't have enough. You don't also increase a single seconds, a single minutes, a single hours in a per day. Do you have an increase? Do you have a chance? I don't have any chance. But if I choose direct selling, if I am a direct seller, I am a networker, then I have a chance to increase my time compounding through direct selling. There's a code also. If you waste time, time will waste you. Okay. Next, flexible to choose. Number 3 point is flexible to choose working hour. In direct selling, you can choose your time when you like to work. So you work according to your time. In job, you doing work what they tell you to do so. But in direct selling, I actually recommend myself. I push myself when I want to work. It's depend on me. If I want to work each and every day, it's it's up to me. If I don't work once in a week, it's my choice. It's my choice, my lifestyle. So this is my choice. No. Next, number 4, no formal qualification is required in a direct selling business. If you are qualified person, it's okay. But if you don't have enough education, there is a direct selling don't ask you to have lots of degrees, lots of marks. We don't. So next is no discrimination in direct selling. Lots of people are Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Garbis. All lots of people are gathered here. Just so many cultures, so many activities are here. Not only for money, but great relationship. This is awesome. Next, number 5 is own business. This business is yours. If you're doing this business, not taking for us. If you're doing this business not only for me, not only for themselves also, but if you want to doing this business, be your own boss and be own business. This is your business, so you have to take ownership. You have to take a step that I will lead this business, I will lead my life, I will choose my destiny, I will put my every single time, every single effort into it. So this is one of the main point that we put into it. And next, number 6 point is help others. If you just help, there's an excellent quote in English. It's called famous motivational speaker is called Zig Ziglar. He just said that if you just help enough people what they want, you can have everything what you want. If you just for suppose example, if whatever he had a dream in your life, just I complete his dream, whatever dreams becomes reality, whatever he had a dream in your life, but I completed his dream, so my dream is automatically accomplished. So this is the main thing that that Zig Ziglar put into it, this code. So next, number 7 is disguise employment. Nowadays, disguise employment is one of the main factor that India is so deteriorating. India is so very frustrated. India's young people's young talk is so frustrated because they don't find enough jobs. So I can tell you that job only can make you living, but it cannot build your future. It cannot build your fortunes. So we whatever we are doing. So if I had a job, if I had a government job, I don't have a chance to enough people to give extra income. So if I am a networker, then we have a chance. I have a chance to increase his salary, his life, his career, his everything. I put my effort into his life. I each and every day I think only because of him, because his life is my life. So this is the main. Unemployment is another factor that India is so deteriorating nowadays, especially in Assam. So people are right now in TED, near about 10 lakhs applicants are applied for the TED, and the post is vacancies and only for only 10,000. So just you imagine how how going is. So next is create each and every day. Yes, if I don't work in direct selling, I don't have a chance to meet you. I don't have a chance to meet you. I don't have a chance to meet her each and every day. So I meet so many new people, so many new faces, new cultures, new societies, new villages, new states, new districts. So we are loving this awesome industry. So each and every day we are meet new and fresh people. So it's yummy. Next point. Award or reward, award and reward and tour available. Yeah, right now we have a Darjeeling tour. Around something Feb is I think so many people are visiting Darjeeling in Katigoda. So lots of people are doing this work not only because of Darjeeling. Darjeeling is a awesome place. Have you also heard that Darjeeling? Yeah, I heard so you heard. So we also want to visit this Darjeeling, and we are going to rock in this Darjeeling tour. So we are ready to go. I think you also have to ready yourself. No, get ready. I'll not be going. Why? Why? You should go. You should go. So many lots of girls actually going there. So if you work into it, if you put into your effort, best effort, then you achieve. If you don't your effort, then it's not possible. If you want to achieve Darjeeling tour, then we help you. I actually help you how to achieve Darjeeling tour. So if you want this, then how to do it, I will tell you. Okay. Next. No, boss, be yes, this is the main thing that job is not kept every day. People is not motivating while they are frustrated when they are doing job each and every day. So they are not enjoying the job. They're just frustrating. The job is they actually doing just living. They just doing their work not only for they are loving. They are doing because they feel pressure in a family, so they are actually compelled to do so. So next point is personal development. Yeah, right now we have so many courses, so many things we have to learn in a direct selling industry. Direct selling industry is providing us so many personalities in our near future. So there's a code is called if you transfer your personality can transfer your future. If you want to increase your income first, you have to increase your value. So if you don't increase your value, you don't have enough income. Your personality can transfer your future. So if you earn so many incomes in direct selling, first of all we provide so many knowledge, so many informations in direct selling, direct seller. So he put every information about direct selling. So this is one part that we also delivering the courses free of cost. We don't have any chance to charge this money because in a direct selling business there's a this is not possible. If you're doing, if anyone doing this, there's a is it's called illegal. So Mahatma Gandhi said your future is depend what you do present. Yeah, whatever you're doing now right now, it's depend your, it's your future. So right now you have a choice, you have an option in your future. Reason actually we are doing this business. So actually I don't give lots of things. Actually I want to give lots of things, but you also have to understand. I am ready to giving you, but if I gave everything, you don't even understand single thing. So I think small thing is better. Not good. When people tell you actually anything. So I just few points. I just gave you just a few points that you understand this why we are doing, and I tell you that you are doing only because of this. Lots of if you want anything, whatever you in your life, uh, if you had money, if you want money, if you want to become a rich, if you want to be a respectful person, if you want to visit place and place, if you want to travel anywhere, everywhere in the world. So the things are available. Lots of things are available if you had a purpose in your life. Lots of points are available here. You pick this one of them and just push yourself that I am doing only because of this purpose. I find my purpose, then purpose will push you. Don't push you yourself, but your purpose push you. Okay.